Did you know you can generate realistic AI voiceovers for free directly from Google? No installs, no subscriptions, and the voices sound incredibly natural and professional. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio for free AI voiceovers.
Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio.
Click Get Started, sign in using your Google account, check and accept the agreements or terms of use if prompted. After that, go to the Speech and Music section, then click Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS Preview. Once logged in, you'll see the text-to-speech page with several quick start templates. These templates include options like Everyday Assistant, Guarded NPC, Energetic Co-host, Master Storyteller, Add Voiceover, Training Guide, Game Show Host, and Patient Teacher. You can choose any template depending on the voice style you want. For example, if you want a commercial-style narration, select Add Voiceover. If you want storytelling, choose Master Storyteller. For tutorial-style voice, you can use Training Guide. Click on your preferred template to start. After selecting a template, you'll see the Scene section. This is where you define the environment or situation of the voice. This helps the AI understand how the voice should sound. Below that is the sample context. This tells the AI how the voice should be delivered. You can define the pacing, tone, and speaking style such as instructional, energetic, calm, or professional. Here's the amazing feature. Even after generating the voice, you can change how the voice is delivered by editing the scene and sample context. This means you don't need to change the script. Just change the context, and the AI will produce a different tone and delivery. For example, let's use this sample script. Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I will show you how to generate AI voiceovers using Google AI Studio. Now, for scene, set it to YouTube Tech Tutorial Studio. Then for sample context, type calm and professional tutorial voice. Clear pacing, friendly and helpful tone, generate the audio, and you'll hear a smooth tutorial-style narration.
Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I will show you how to generate AI voiceovers using Google AI Studio.
Now, change the scene to energetic YouTube intro. Then change the sample context to high-energy delivery, fast pacing, excited YouTuber style. Emphasize keywords. Generate again using the same script. You'll notice the voice now sounds more energetic and faster.
Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I will show you how to generate AI voiceovers using Google AI Studio.
You can also try another example. Scene corporate training room sample context, instructional e-learning voice, measured pacing with clear pauses, authoritative and confident tone, generate again, and the voice will sound like a professional trainer.
Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I will show you how to generate AI voiceovers using Google AI Studio.
This is very powerful because you can reuse the same script and instantly change the delivery style. Next, you can click on the speaker name to open speaker settings. Here, you can further customize the voice. You can change the audio profile to describe the voice personality. You can adjust the style, pace, and accent. You can also select different AI voices from the list. Each voice has a different tone like soft, friendly, firm, bright, or smooth. Choose the one that best fits your video. After that, return to your script and click Run or Generate. Wait a few seconds while the AI converts your text into speech.
Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I will show you how to generate AI voiceovers using Google AI Studio.
If you like the result, you can download the audio file and use it for your YouTube videos, tutorials, or voiceovers.
You can experiment with different scenes, contexts, and voices to create unlimited variations. And that's it. You're ready to start creating your own AI voiceovers. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.